Hey everyone, imagine stepping into a world where your ideas can spark amazing transformations and make a real difference. Are you ready to embark on an adventure filled with creativity, innovation, and the thrill of building something extraordinary? Let's jump right in. Imagine waking up each morning excited to help companies connect with their audience online. You can craft fun campaigns, analyze cool data, and use your skills to make a real impact. Sounds amazing, right? Starting your own agency can be a thrilling adventure. First, let's talk about your niche. What type of businesses do you want to work with? Are you passionate about helping local restaurants, online stores, or maybe even tech companies? Choosing a specific area allows you to become an expert and focus on what you love. Picture yourself building strong relationships with your clients and truly understanding their needs. Next, it's time to build your skills. While having a passion for helping others is important, learning how to do it well is essential. You can take fun online courses, attend exciting workshops, or even read interesting books to enhance your knowledge. Imagine feeling confident in your ability to create effective social media posts, fun videos, and eye-catching ads. How empowering would that be? Once you've honed your skills, it's time to create your business plan. This plan will outline your goals, target market, services, and pricing. Think about what makes your agency unique. Do you have a special approach to creating content or engaging with customers? Having a strong plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding you on your journey. Now let's talk about your brand. Your agency needs a catchy name, logo, and website that reflect your style and values. Imagine potential clients landing on your website and feeling inspired by your design and messaging. Your brand is your first impression, so make it memorable and inviting. Once your brand is ready, it's time to build your portfolio. If you're just starting, consider offering your services to friends or local businesses at a special rate. You can create stunning posts for social media, write fun articles, or run a small advertising campaign. Picture showcasing your successful projects and happy clients on your website, building credibility and trust. Next, let's dive into networking. Connecting with other professionals in your area can open doors for collaboration and referrals. Attend exciting events, join online forums, and participate in social media groups. Imagine meeting like-minded individuals who share your passion and can support you on your journey. Now let's focus on promoting your agency. Use your creative skills to share your services. Create engaging content on social media. Optimize your website for search engines and run targeted ads. Imagine attracting clients who are eager to work with you because of your impressive online presence. The possibilities are endless. As you start to land clients, focus on delivering exceptional service. Keep communication open, set clear expectations, and always strive for excellence. Picture your clients being thrilled with the results of your efforts, leading to long-lasting partnerships and referrals. Happy clients are the key to your agency's success. Lastly, always stay up to date with trends. The world is ever evolving, so make it a habit to learn continuously. Follow leaders in the field, read fun blogs, and attend exciting webinars to keep your skills sharp. Imagine being the go-to expert in your niche, known for your innovative strategies and fresh ideas. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to embark on your journey of starting an agency. From choosing your niche to building a strong brand and delivering exceptional service, it's all about creativity, passion, and helping others succeed. So, are you ready to make your mark in the world? Let's go create something amazing.